In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Salesforce. This is a straightforward setup, and once it's connected, it can make it much easier to keep your marketing and sales data aligned across both platforms. As we go, I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without feeling rushed. To get started, log into your HubSpot account. Make sure you're signing into the correct account and portal before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one workspace. Starting in the right place will help avoid confusion later during the integration process. Once you're inside HubSpot, head over to the marketplace. This is where HubSpot keeps its available integrations and apps, including the Salesforce connection. If you haven't visited this section before, think of it as the central library for connecting HubSpot with other tools your team may already use. Take a moment to let the page load fully so you can search smoothly. From the marketplace, search for Salesforce. You can type it directly into the search bar to bring up the official integration. When the result appears, make sure you're selecting the correct Salesforce app so you're working with the intended connection. This is an important step because using the proper integration ensures the setup process is reliable and supported. After that, click Install. HubSpot will then guide you into the connection flow, and at this stage, you'll need to log into your Salesforce account. Be sure to use an account with the right permissions to authorize the integration. If your organization has specific admin or security requirements, you may need approval or elevated access before the connection can be completed successfully. As you sign in, carefully review any permission prompts that appear. These are there to confirm what HubSpot will be allowed to access in Salesforce. Reading through them helps you understand what data can sync and how the two systems will communicate. Once the login is complete, the installation process should continue automatically. If it pauses or asks for confirmation, just follow the on-screen prompts to finish linking the accounts. A good tip here is to avoid opening too many extra tabs during setup, since that can sometimes interrupt authentication sessions. And that's it. You've now gone through the core process for integrating HubSpot with Salesforce, logging into HubSpot, opening the marketplace, searching for Salesforce, and installing the integration by signing into Salesforce. If you're following along in real time, move slowly and confirm each screen before continuing to the next one, and you should have the connection set up smoothly.